Hello friends, today's topic, if you want 1 lakh pension per month, do this. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Most people aspire to create a monthly pension for themselves so that they don't need to worry about their regular income. At some stage, whether it is at 60 or earlier, we need to create a corpus to be able to withdraw an amount like a pension. Most people are working in a private company or are in business, hence they will get no pension once retired. Even government employees don't get a pension now and are expected to invest in NPS so that they can use that in their retirement. Relying only on bank or post office deposit interest in retirement is not a good idea since the interest is taxed as per tax slab and the interest rate is usually below inflation. We need to plan an SWP from stocks or mutual funds which are likely to beat inflation in the long term and help you manage your life expenses after retirement or becoming financially independent. Many people keep asking us how much corpus is required at the age of 60 to be able to withdraw a pension of around 1 lakh per month for living expenses. We will assume that a person is now 60 years old and wants a pension of 1 lakh per month. We cannot invest entirely in equity instruments during retirement. We need to balance it so that some money is invested relatively safely and some money is being invested for higher growth. Example, suppose a 60-year-old person has 1.9 crores in liquid assets excluding their own house. It is assumed that they have a health insurance for self and family. Following investments can be planned. Investment of corpus by 60-year-old. Bank FD 30 lakhs, interest or returns 7.5%, monthly income before tax 18,750, monthly income after tax 13,125. Conservative hybrid funds, investment 80 lakhs, interest or returns 8 to 10%, average 9% assumed, and monthly income before tax 60,000, monthly income after tax 42,000. Balanced funds, investment 80 lakhs, interest or returns 10 to 12%, average 10% assumed, monthly interest before tax 66,667, monthly income after tax 46,667. Total invested 190 lakhs, monthly income after tax 1 lakh 1,792. Assuming 30% tax on all interest and profits, actual tax will be slightly lower because if it is capital gain, it may even drop down to 12.5%. Many people are not aware of the power of SWP since they may be still in the phase of investing money as SIP and not reached the withdrawal phase of life. Following are the important points to note in this example. Number one, the person has invested around 16% of his total liquid assets, 30 lakhs, in bank FD for fixed interest. The remaining 160 lakhs has been invested in a mix of low to medium risk mutual funds so that he can earn inflation beating returns in the long term. Two, we have completely avoided pure equity funds which may attract higher volatility and high risk of notional loss in the short term. 3. We have assumed conservative returns from the mutual funds. In future, as expenses may increase due to inflation, the mutual fund corpus will be able to cover the expenses. If major portion is put in the bank FD, then it will not be able to match the inflation in the long run. Fourth point, a 60-year-old person may be able to manage with a lower corpus too, but he would need to invest in more aggressive mutual funds and hence increase the overall risk of the portfolio. So 1.9 crores should be sufficient for a person who is around 60 years today who wants rupees 1 lakh per month as pension. 5. Suppose your age is 40 years today, you want an inflation adjusted pension of 1 lakh per month after 20 years, then you will need around 3 lakhs per month assuming 6% per annum inflation. 6. In such a case, a person may need a corpus of at least 4 to 4.5 crores to be able to withdraw a good pension. 7. Even if you say that your today's monthly expenses is 50,000 at the age of 40, then you will need at least 1.5 lakhs per month after 20 years due to inflation. Your corpus required could be around 3 crores. 8. Many people underestimate the retirement corpus required by seeing today's expenses. Inflation is difficult to perceive in the mind. Keep in mind that it is better to overestimate our future requirements and do financial planning accordingly rather than underestimate and realize only at the retirement age that your corpus is not sufficient. End of the video, here is the question. What is the retirement corpus you are targeting at the age of 60? Type the amount in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.